Hi guys, Dan, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share. So this is a little different video, but you might know or may not know, I'm a huge BTS ARMY and it is comeback season and I am so excited to go to a concert this year. So I am excited to just craft. So if you don't know, when you go to a concert, you get freebies. It's not necessary. It's not necessary to always receive them either, but it's always nice to give back to others. And as a crafter this year, I was like, I gotta plan ahead of time. I am terrible with time management, and when the time comes when you want to make up a lot, it's already too late. So I got to cranking once concert tickets were secured, and I get to celebrate this journey with two of my best friends. And I am so blessed that we just have such a good time. So it's gonna be the same case here, but we're just gonna be bearing gifts this year. So I'm going to show you what I made if you are a BTS ARMY yourself and you are looking for freebies to give out. I hope you find some inspiration. And if you're just a crafter like me and you just want to create some cute things, here you go. I hope you find some inspiration from this as well. So I'm going to start off first one with, I don't know, I call this kind of like my universe. And this was meant to be a little like bag charm. So it has this little cute little purple ribbon and it's really simple, nothing crazy. I did buy pretty much everything from Temu. Yeah, luckily I had the gold findings. I had the the star clip and just all the jump rings, and I did actually have these purple little heart moons. I think I've been collecting purple for this concert season, and I found it to be like my Super Bowl. So I'm so excited. I just banged these out and then I just started packaging them up because I just want to get done as much as I can. And I'm excited. I'm excited for the new album. I'm excited to be with ARMY again. And I did create a bunch. Again, it's to be shared with amongst my friends, so I gotta create a lot. I just have to create a lot. And if you see on my little stand here, I needed something. It's like a bookend of, I don't even know what it is. I think it's a donkey or a horse or a deer, but I created a special one for the first stop of the US tour, which is Tampa. And I created this little phone strap and it says Tampa, and there's a little purple bow and a little army bomb. You guys, I dug up every single purple anything in my stash. And I know it doesn't have to be purple. I know it could be other colors, but it's what represents the fandom. So anyways, I kept true to that. I'm almost done with a tube of Hobby Lobby seed beads, which has never happened to me before. So I'm so ecstatic to just kind of give these out. I think I have about 25 of these. This looks like a lot. Maybe I have more. I'm not sure. But I can't wait to bag these up. I created a little special edition, a member version. So I got this one, it says Yoongi, and a little, again, just a little wire wrap. I started losing, or not losing. I didn't have a lot of the, I kind of like this army bomb version more. It has like a crystally, I'll show you right here. I love that. But you know what? I just had to use up some of my supplies. So this is a darling. I did one for each member. And then I figured I'll ask the person, who's your bias? And I thought this were so cute, right? Little hearts. Some names were longer than others. Like Jin's name is only 3 letters, so I added a little dangly heart at the end. So, and Jungkook's name is so long, so I needed extra long wire for his. Anyway, so that's the members version, my limited edition. And then I just have, so I've just been wire wrapping pieces because I know that when the time comes, I'm gonna need this stash. So I have my little army bombs in here. So like I have them all wire wrapped and ready to go. I have a lot. There's a lot in here. So, and I've been just kind of using, when I have, I picked out the purpley little beads. So I figured in a sea of purple, it looks so nice. I think I have more in here. Yeah, see, I have a little bit left of the glass bead ones. And then in here, oh, jeez. And here I have these long little dangles. Look how pretty this is. I found this purple heart in my stash, and I used all of them, but I was like, this is it. This is going to be my little fancy number. And I have a couple of those. Yeah, I have another little drawer of those. So like this is my completed drawer, and I'm just trying to craft up what I can. And here, I think I made some BTS. Oh, I love these purple hearts. Again, I used, if I pulled it, I used everything, and then I started on something new. So I started with BTS, and then I did I did the members. Did I do the members? Yeah, I did all the members. Jimin, J-Hope. So yeah, it's all in here. I love those purple hearts. I wish I could find more of them, but again, some of my stash is so old. You know, like you're kind of like a collector of things. So these are just a whole bunch of hearts with BTS. Yeah, so I have a whole bunch of dangles ready. So like I can just add each and every one of these bits. Look, even more. You know what the biggest pain is? Finding the letters. I know they sell the pre-done letters, but I'll show you what box I got. I got this jumbo box, don't mind the washi, from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, picking out the letters can be quite a task, but I need a lot. I needed a lot of letters, and it was economical. So, and I was under a time crunch. Anyways, then I found inspiration kind of just looking around Pinterest and stuff like that, and I wanted to create dorige. So these are kind of the like traditional Korean hanging element on your hanboks, and I thought this was so cute, and I just added a little bit of a perler beads on the end. My friend Jen, she is amazing, and I tried for the life of me. I could not figure out the knots. I just couldn't get it. Like they were just, I don't know, it was like impossible for me. So her and her daughter banged these out, and I've just been decorating them and kind of finishing them. So yeah, she makes and then she drops them off. And then I have my little perlers here, and then my clips. I'm probably gonna run out of clips soon, so I did order some more. And then this is the new bundle that I have to work with. So we did start with like a shiny string, and she complained about this because she said it has too much slip to it. So yeah, we finished what we could with the stash that we had. I bought a couple of different variants of the purple ones. Like you have this one, then you have a light lavender one. And they did such a great job. So that really is all of the progress I've made so far with all of my ARMY freebies. And I'm excited to just get to a concert and start giving these out. But stay tuned. I'm going to be making more. If you need a tutorial or some kind of guidance on what you need or supplies, just leave me a comment down below, and I'd be very happy to share my sources with you. And that is it for my project share today, you guys. I hope you found some inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.